Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I am having a fabulous day. I talked to my best friend on the phone. It's sunny, and it's actually going to be warm, so I'm claiming that I'm also going to find red stickers. Who's with me? Let's go into the store, see if I'm right, and don't forget, at the end, I'm going to share with you my weekly meal plan, and any recipes that I mention will be linked below. Okay, I'm going to grab these. I haven't bought them in a while, but my kids have been wanting to grab some quick things for the bus, and I like these better than Pop-Tarts, so I'm giving them more options, $3.49 a piece. Bag up for chicken noodle soup tonight, $1.69. Well, there's not many red stickers. There's one, but I don't want that bread. Oh, there's more, but I don't want sourdough. I'm the only one that eats it. $1.29 white bread for sandwiches and toast. This is quite ironic to me. I wanted to buy bananas to make banana bread. And not only do they not have yellow, but they're like bright green. So, I don't know. Are these ones that'll stay hard forever? I think I'm gonna pass. The red grapes feel nice and firm. So I'm gonna get a bag for lunches. $1.49 a pound. Getting a couple cucumbers for lunches, 55 cents a piece. We have lettuce at home for more salads, but I'm gonna get this for pizza night, $2.99. I'm getting Macintosh apples. I'm probably gonna get 2 bags. We're just running low on apples, and my daughter likes to have them, my vegetarian, and we're gonna have apples in our waffles, so $2.89. Green onions, 85 cents. I need eggs for waffles and cake bites, $4.54 for a dozen. Gallon of 2% milk, $2.77. I need a tub of butter and a reach, $3.29, and $3.98 for butter sticks. No heavy cream, unfortunately. Red onions, $2.29. 2 cans of diced tomatoes for 1 pot pasta. Oops. $1.09 each. I'm gonna make a bean salad for my vegetarian, and I'm gonna use cannelli beans. It's a new recipe I've never used. 76 cents a piece. I need celery for chicken noodle soup today, $1.69. Hazelnut spread, haven't bought this in a hot minute, $2.45. Every once in a while my kids ask me to get this. I haven't gotten it in a while, and I like to get it in the fruit juice, $1.25. I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm getting these tomatoes for lunches and for Greek bowls, $2.29. We're having Greek chicken bowls, Kalamata olives, $2.19. Greek vinaigrette dressing, $3.15. My kids wanted me to get Pop-Tarts again, so I'm going to get them, $1.78. 3 Red Thunder energy shots for my husband, $1.19 a piece. Pacific cooler for my kids' lunches, $3.18. Lots of beautiful spring flowers. Okay, there's construction down the aisle, so we'll see how long this lasts, but I love this. I had to share that. $59.99, super cute. Accent bookcases. Different sheet sets. I really like this one for my son, but they don't have a full, and that's what he has. Different comforters. Oil diffusers, and I love this. These are puzzles, but look how it looks like a Nintendo cartridge. I was a Nintendo kid. Lots of different kid items. They have plush blankets, different storage bins. These, I don't understand how they can make to look exactly like Ray Dunn without it being like an infringement of some sort, but they have them. Sewing kits, we have these from Aldi, work really well. A little sewing machine, power cords, different rugs. Really seem pretty thin, but they're only $18.99. Getting into old items here. I've seen a lot of people raving about these. Still have them at our store. A bamboo steamer. Lots of fun items. These are really pretty. Candle galore, but this one I just smelled. Smells amazing. I'm gonna get it. $1.89. I'm making cake pops for my kids' Valentine's parties tomorrow. I'm gonna get 2 of these, $3.09 a piece. I have one of these in my pantry, so I only need one more, but white cake mix, 98 cents. Okay, $1.43, getting some egg noodles for the chicken noodle soup today. Chicken broth for the chicken noodle soup, $1.89. Parmesan cheese, this is a staple. We ran out yesterday, $2.75. And linguine for 1 pot pasta, $1.75. Almost out of powdered sugar at home, $1.69. Well guys, I guess I was right, because look, there's a lot of chicken breasts, but it's only 30% off of $3.99. So that does not entice me. But I got the vibes. Lots of chicken wings, 50% off. But again, I don't need those. I miss the 50% off, the cheaper prices. I can find better sales than that though. This is 50% off though, because it's marked today's date. Getting one for my hubby. Okay, so I have to tell you guys, these were not marked 50% off, but it's today's date, so I asked if they could mark them down. They had 3 of them for today's date that they marked 50% off, so pretty good deal. I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna stick these in the freezer. I know my husband and kids will love them. I'm getting all 3. Leftovers from the big game yesterday. That looks so good. But it's shrimp, and I don't eat shrimp because I'm a baby. But it looks really yummy. Dim sum, I've never had it. Chicken, cheese taquitos. Chicken and cheese taquitos, I mean. Different meatballs, chicken and cheese ravioli. They have the spring rolls again, which are so yummy. I don't see the price for them. They have the chicken wontons, which I really, really love too, but I have some. Always need lots of mild cheddar shredded, $5.79. I'm going to get, oh, my kids love this, the Mexican style, the really finely shredded, $2.99. $2.55 for string cheese. I'm getting this medium salsa for when we do quesadillas, $1.99. Okay, for Greek chicken bowls, feta, $2.19. Okay, I'm gonna get cauliflower rice for the chicken bowls, $2.09. I'm also gonna make regular rice. Okay, my waters, they're 79 cents. They have 6 of the unflavored. I'm gonna get them all. So I missed out on getting Mini Hearts chocolate boxes for my kids. I should have bought them earlier, I know that. But these are cute too. Valentine's Day succulents. I'm gonna get this ramen for my lunch today actually. I had no plans of getting it, but it looks good, $2.98. And that'll be delicious. Okay, so here's my cart with the 50% off goodies. Any guesses on the total? Okay, the total is $117.46. I have one item to get here. Can you guess what it is? Okay, so this is what I came here for, $2.09 for sprinkles for my cake pops. But then I wanted to get something also for my kids for Valentine's Day, and these were on clearance. I don't know how much they are, but they love these things, and I know they'll be happy to receive them tomorrow. So they'll each get one, something small. The sprinkles are on clearance, sweet. And the gummy rolls were not, so I guess I didn't really luck out as much as I wanted, but I know my kids will still love them. Okay, I wasn't gonna buy these because my kids don't need them, but then I thought they only will care about this stuff or be at home to get them for so long. So I'm getting them, and I know they're gonna love them with their candies tomorrow. Okay, after I saw that they were $9.51, I almost changed my mind again, but the fact remains, I know they'll like it. Okay, our meal plan for the week, chicken noodle soup. My husband requested this, so I'm making it. Qdoba on Valentine's Day. They have done this for like, I don't know, at least a decade on Valentine's Day. For rewards members, it's buy one, get one free with simply a kiss. We're gonna do 1 pot pasta. If you guys remember from like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, probably 2, I bought basil. It's still going strong. I keep watering it and I'm able to use it. This will be my 3rd dinner I'm able to put it in, but you use basil, and that is what spurred me to make this. It's vegetarian. All my kids love it. I really like it, and my husband tolerates it. I'm making Greek chicken bowls, so I put Greek around that because I don't know how authentic it is, but we use Kalamata olives. I use a Greek chicken recipe, feta cheese. I still have spinach. We do rice, cauliflower rice, build a bowl, however you like it. And we have the Greek dressing. My husband also requested waffles with apples in them. That's how he likes them. And I'm gonna have bacon and toast. I also have hash brown patties that we will be making. This was moved from last week's meal plan. Quesadillas and rice. Still gonna have that this week. Have everything on hand for that. And then out to eat pizza Friday. We're just gonna order pizza and I'll have that salad. So this is our meal plan for the week. Any recipe I am using, I will link below. I'm also making cake pops for my kids, 2 of my 3 kids' classes for Valentine's Day. And I will link now to a video showing you how I make those. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.